Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate your Nutanix AHV infrastructure with NAKIVO Backup and Replication. After you complete integration of a Nutanix cluster, you can start running data protection jobs to back up your data and workloads. First, go to Settings. Switch to the Inventory tab. Then click the plus sign. The Add Inventory Item wizard opens. At the Platform step, choose Virtual. Click Next. At the Type step, choose Nutanix AHV Cluster. Besides Nutanix AHV, NAKIVO Backup and Replication supports other virtual workloads such as VMware vCenter or ESXi hosts, VMware Cloud Director servers, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Proxmox VE hosts or clusters. After choosing the Nutanix cluster, click Next to proceed. At the Options step, specify the display name of the added cluster in the NAKIVO solution inventory, and provide the cluster hostname or IP. Then, provide the appropriate username and password, and specify the port to access the cluster you need to add. Make sure that the specified cluster port is correct to enable access. Then click Finish. We're back to the Inventory tab where you can track the progress for adding the cluster. When the progress bar disappears and you see the hosts and VMs in the Details column, your Nutanix AHV cluster has been successfully added to the inventory. If you don't have the NAKIVO solution installed in your Nutanix environment, you must add a transporter to the Nutanix cluster to be able to run backup jobs of Nutanix AHV workloads. To do that, switch to Nodes, click the plus button, and choose Nutanix AHV Appliance. The Deploy New Transporter wizard for the Nutanix AHV appliance opens. Specify the transporter name, and choose a cluster to run the transporter VM, storage container to locate that VM and virtual network to attach the transporter. Alternatively, you can click More Options and configure advanced functionalities. Specifically, in the networking part, you can choose the IP and DNS configuration for the transporter. Set Automatic Setup, DHCP, for a transporter to have an IP and DNS assigned by DHCP. Choosing Manual Setup enables you to specify a static IP address and DNS of your choice. In the Settings part, you can customize the transporter load and debug logging. The maximum load parameter specifies the maximum number of tasks that the transporter should process simultaneously. A task, for example, is a backup of a single VM disk or a single granular recovery session. If you select the additional load for recovery jobs, the specified quantity of tasks will be added to set the maximum transporter load to be used for recovery jobs exclusively. This allows for running the specified amount of concurrent recovery jobs along with other types of jobs without the need to wait for their completion. Selecting the Enable Debug Logging for this transporter parameter sets the transporter to collect debug logs. It is recommended to use this option only when necessary. Using debug logging for a transporter on a permanent basis may impact performance. After you configure the options, click Deploy to finish transporter installation. Once the transporter is installed, you can start creating Nutanix AHV backup jobs. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.